The organizer of this small trip was Sham. We share the same native place. Most of us started the journey from Sham's house at around 8 in the morning and proceeded to the location. We rode through the twisty, narrow roads of Kerala with the target in mind to cross over to Tamil Nadu through a border only known by the people of Thiruvananthapuram district and Kanyakumari district. Other riders joined us at Netta. This is a beautiful place, and here are a few shots of Netta. This particular place is a dam reservoir, and the view, especially in the mornings, is just amazing. Shyam did a small brief about the ride ahead, and we continued our journey. We did stop on the way for breakfast. From Netta, which is located in Tamil Nadu and more clearly Kanyakumari district, we took Chittar Dam Road and proceeded to Kodayar Lower Camp Road. There is a check post before your permitted entry to reach the location of Kodayar Waterfall. They do have washrooms there, and that would probably be the last point where you will have a proper network. After crossing the checkpost, there are small villages and shops present in those villages. You can enjoy local cuisine from these places. The roads are mostly broken tarmac, but most cars and motorcycles can easily go through these places with some obstacle avoidance maneuvers. The view while traversing these broken roads are just stunning. I apologize for the vertical videos, but my pillion who I met during the ride was obsessed with vertical videos. You do have public transport facility to reach near the location as well, but I am unsure of the timings. We reached a village after a while, and then it's a stretch in which only motorcycles can move ahead. This place is so beautiful and mesmerizing, and the rainy mood just added to the ambience. The final leg of the journey before trekking to the waterfall is a ride through rubber plantations to reach a steep descent into a spot where we can keep our motorcycles. It is not advised to leave any of your belongings here unless you have a fixed top rack or something on which you can lock your belongings. You must ensure that you carry shorts and towels, as trekking to reach the waterfall is just amazing in itself. You can take the dry route, or you can get into the water, take a plunge and cross the rocks that way. Honestly, it's a place where you feel like sitting and enjoying nature and its sounds and breathing in some fresh air. I don't remember the trekking time, but after a while you come across this stunning waterfall. The view here is just astonishing, and you'll feel that it's worth every second traveling through those bumpy roads. We had a nice time here, took bath, and boy did we enjoy a lot. Be careful of the pools, as some areas are really deep. After we returned from the falls, Sham organized lunch from a local shop. We had some nice freshwater fish curry and fish fry along with meals. I would definitely be going back to this place someday. Anyway, after lunch some of us decided to head back home, while others stayed over and explored some more areas. Hope you found this video enjoyable to watch. See you in the next one. Until then, stay awesome and ride safe.